Hi people, I'm Gynaecology. Welcome to my channel. So I've been very busy. I'm so sorry. Like I'm a final year medical student right now, and I've been in preparation mode or final year mode. Like it's a lot. So I haven't been posting a lot of vlogs, but I promise you when I do my internship, I'll be vlogging still and posting a lot of videos that I wanted to post during my final year. Like, internship doesn't stop me from, hopefully, won't stop me from vlogging and showing you my life, even if I'm no longer a medical student. So, that's what I have to say about what's been happening thus far. And right now, I'm gonna start a series of videos that would be more helpful to me and students who are gonna do the final MBBS exam or the clerkship exams, because I'm gonna just record myself reading the Wayne's notes. I don't know if I'll be able to complete it, but that's what I'm planning to do to prepare for final MBBS, as well as doing some other things like past papers and stuff. Don't know if you guys know, but I'm in the Corona group. So we won't be doing the final exams the way that everybody else would have done it. We're doing a completely different thing, which is online, and won't be doing much practical. So hopefully we're all successful with this. Like, I just hope that we'll all get through, and that's it. My first set of videos will be on gynecology. So I'll be reading Wayne's gynecology notes. I know Wayne graduated in 2015, but it's the best notes we have so far. So that's what I'll be doing. Contraception and sterilization notes. The Pearl Index, PI, introduced by Raymond Pearl in 1933, hence the name Pearl Index, is a method used to report the efficacy of a contraceptive method. The definition of Pearl Index is the number of pregnancies per 100 woman years. One woman year is 12 cycles, so 100 women have 12 times 100 cycles every year, and that equals to 1200. So Pearl Index is actually the number of pregnancies per 1200 cycles. In simple English terms, it is the number of women becoming pregnant if 100 women use the contraceptive method for 1 year straight. So the lower the Pearl Index, the better the contraception method. Note: 1300 is the number that is used instead of 1200 on the basis that the length of the average menstrual cycle is 28 days or 13 cycles per day per year, as opposed to 12 cycles per year. Usually, two Pearl indexes are published from studies of birth control methods. The actual use, which is the actual use Pearl index, and the perfect use or method Pearl index. Now, the actual use Pearl index includes all pregnancies in a study and all months or cycles of exposure, and the perfect use or method Pearl index includes only pregnancies that result from correct and consistent use of the method, and only includes months or cycles in which the method was correctly and consistently used. Now, here's a table that describes different contraceptive methods, separated it into non-hormonal and hormonal. There's another table that talks about the natural methods. So let's go into this table. So the non-hormonal contraceptive method include the natural, barrier, chemical or spermicidal, and intrauterine contraceptive devices. The natural method include withdrawal or the coitus interruptus method, which is 77% effective. Another natural method of contraceptive is the lactational amenorrhea method, which is 98% effective up to 6 months postpartum. Another method is the rhythm method or the periodic abstinence aided by calendar method, symptothermal including basal body temperature, the Billings method which observes the cervical mucus changes, and the home urinary LH monitoring method. These all help to better determine the safe period window and the fertility days. Now the rhythm method is 98% effective in terms of the perfect use and 76% effective with the typical use. Another natural contraceptive method which is 100% effective is the abstinence of all sexual activity. Another non-hormonal contraceptive method is the barrier method, where we have male condoms, which is 98% effective with the perfect use and 85% effective with the typical use. We also have female condoms, the diaphragm, which is used with spermicide, which is 94 and 84% effective in terms of perfect use and typical use, respectively. We also have the cervical Dutch cup, which is also a non-hormonal barrier method. Chemical or spermicidal use without a barrier, which is used with a barrier, include foams, gels, creams, and sponges. And the last non-hormonal method is the intrauterine contraceptive device. It is the inert version is unavailable in most countries up until 2015. Not sure if the data has changed. And we have the copper IUCD, which include the copper T and the Nova T. This is 99.3% effective. We also have the progestogen IUD, which includes the Mirena, which has many non-contraceptive benefits and is 99.9% effective. In terms of the hormonal contraceptive methods, we have OCPs, injectables, and others. The OCPs have progesterone-only pills, which they call the mini pill, which is 90 to 99% effective, as well as the combined oral contraceptive pill, which is 99.7 and 92% effective in terms of the perfect and typical use, respectively. The injectables include progestin only, which is the Depo-Provera injection, which is 99.7 and 97% effective. The combined oral, the combined estrogen and progesterone injectables, such as Mesigina, is 99.7 and 92% effective. Others include implants, vaginal hormone rings, such as the NuvaRing, and transdermal hormonal patches. The NuvaRing is 99.7 and 92% effective, and the Ortho Evra transdermal hormonal patch is 99.7 and 92% effective. Lastly, a hormonal Lastly, we have emergency postcoital contraception, which include hormonal and non-hormonal methods. So we have the Plan B levonorgestrel only pill, which is 98% effective within 24 hours and decreases by 70% at 72 hours. The postcoital copper IUD is 99.9% effective